Shri Sai Satcharitra in Marathi by late Govind Raghunath Dabholkar. Translation in English by late Zareen. Adhyay 2, OV 78. ऐसे वर्ते जो व्यवहारी तयामी पूर्ण साह्य करी हे कथाच काय सर्वतोपरी तया घरी राबे मी. The one who behaves like this in life, to him I will give complete help, not only for the writing of the story, but I shall reside in his home and serve him. अहम वृत्ती जेव्हा मुरे तेव्हा तयाचा ठावही नुरे मीच मग मीपणे संचरे माझ्याची करे लिहीन मी. When the ego diminishes and finally disappears, then I will dwell in him and I will write with my own hands. ये बुद्धी जे कर्म आरंभिले श्रवण मनन वा लेखन वहिले ज्याचे त्यानेची ते संपादिले त्यास तो केले निमित्त. The undertaking begun with this conviction, or any listening, thinking, or writing so done, is accomplished by him, but the writer is only the instrument. अवश्यमेव दफ्तर ठेवा घरी दारी असा कुठेवा वारंवार आठव ठेवा होईल विसावा जीवासी. Certainly, keep the records wherever you may be, either at home or outside. Try to remember them on and oft. You will have quietude. करिता माझिया कथांचे श्रवण तयांचे कीर्तन आणि चिंतन होईल मद्भक्तीचे जनन अविद्या निरसन रोकडे. If you listen to my stories, recite them, and meditate upon them, devotion for me will arise, and ignorance will be completely destroyed. जेथे भक्ती श्रद्धान्वित तयाचा मी नित्यांकित ये अर्थी न भावे शंकित इतरत्र अप्राप्त मी सदा. Whenever there is devotion full of faith, I am entirely in its power always. Have no doubts about this. Otherwise, I am unattainable. सद्भावे या कथा परिसता निष्ठा उपजेल श्रोतया चित्ता सहज स्वानुभव स्वानंदता सुखावस्था लाधेल. If the listeners listen to these stories with faith, then greater faith will be kindled, and they will easily experience heavenly bliss and will acquire a state of happiness. भक्तासी निज रूप ज्ञान जीव शिवा समाधान लक्षेल अलक्ष निर्गुण चैतन्य घन प्रकटेल. The devotees shall get self-realization. The soul will be in tune with Brahma. The inconceivable and the formless will be understood by them, and the life spirit will manifest. ऐसे या मत्कथांचे विंदान याहुनी काय पाहिजे आन हेच श्रुतीचे ध्येय संपूर्ण भक्त संपन्न ये अर्थी. Such is the aim of my stories. What else can one desire? This is also the goal of the Vedas. The devotees will be enriched because of this. जेथे वादावादीची बुद्धी तेथे अविद्या माया समृद्धि, नाही तेथे स्वहित शुद्धि, सदा दुर्बुद्धि कुतर्की. Wherever there is the mentality of contentiousness, ignorance and illusion will exist in abundance. There is no purification, nor one's own benefit. There are always skeptical and ignoble thoughts. तो न आत्मज्ञानासी पात्र, तयासी ग्रासी अज्ञान मात्र, नाही तयासी इह परत्र, असुख सर्वत्र सर्वदा. Such a person is not fit for self-knowledge. False knowledge will overpower him. For him, there is nothing in this world and in the next. Forever and everywhere, he is miserable.